Alright, write the equation in clean standard form of the line that passes through the points 9, -2 and -3, 2. So, to start, we'll find the slope using these 2 points. Slope equals the change in y over the change in x. So we can find this using the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have our y2, our y1, our x2, and our x1. Now we just insert these numbers into the equation. So we have 2 minus -2 over -3 minus 9. So 2 minus -2 is the same as 2 plus 2. So that's going to give us 4. And then -3 minus 9 is equal to -12. So this is our slope, but we can reduce that more to -1 over 3. So that's our slope. Now we have a slope, and we have 2 points, so we're going to write an equation in point-slope form. Okay, point-slope form is equal to y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we'll put a point in. We'll use this point because it's smaller. So our point is -3, 2, and our slope that we just found is -1/3. So here's our m, here's our y1, and here's our x1. So now we can write our equation. Y minus 2 equals -1/3 times x minus -3. Now, x minus -3 is the same as x plus 3. So our equation is actually going to be y minus 2 equals -1/3 times x plus 3. Okay. Alright, so we now have to convert this to clean standard form. So clean standard form is equal to ax plus by equals c. Now, x has to be positive, and there can be no fractions in the entire equation. So, let's start. We'll start by distributing. So that gives us y minus 2 equals -1/3 x. And then we're going to multiply -1/3 times 3 over 1. That gives us -3 over 3, or -1. Okay, so we'll go back over here. And that -1 is going to just be -1. Like that. Alright, now we want to isolate the y and the x over on one side. So we'll add 2 now. And that's going to give us y equals -1/3 x plus 1. -1 plus 2 is 1. So now we'll just add 1/3 to both sides to isolate the x and the y. So that gives us 1/3 x plus y equals 1. Alright, we're almost done, but this cannot be a fraction. So to get rid of that fraction, we're going to multiply the entire equation by 3. And then, so that's going to give us 1x, or just x, plus 3y equals 3. And there's our final equation in clean standard form. Thanks for watching.